In this video, we're going to dive into a powerful topic. You might feel uncomfortable at times, and that's okay. We're about to explore something deeper than the surface of daily life, something that challenges your current understanding of who you are. By the end of this, I'll introduce an ancient idea about your immortal nature that might just change how you see yourself forever. So listen closely, because missing any key detail might lead to misunderstanding everything. Stay with me till the end, you won't want to miss it. Let's start with something you might not hear every day. You are not just a human being. In fact, you are far more. What if I told you that you are a God particle, temporarily having a human experience? Your body is merely a vessel, a physical suit you're wearing in this grand cosmic play, and the real you, the eternal soul, exists beyond this material form. Think about it. We often say my body, my hand, or my thoughts, right? But who is this my? The possessive pronoun tells you that there's a difference between your body and the true essence of who you are. You don't say, I am body. You say, this is my body. That alone reveals a profound truth. You are not the body. You are the awareness behind it. For the rest of this video, I'm going to refer to you not as having a soul, but as being the soul itself, because that is who you truly are. Now, everything we talk about today isn't based on some distant theory. This is grounded in direct experience. These are the insights shared by mystics and spiritual explorers for millennia. Self-realization, at the deepest level, is about remembering your true nature, that you are an immortal being, a fragment of universal consciousness, experiencing life through a temporary human form. You see, the human body is like a tool, a costume in this play called life, and your soul is the actor. The challenge we face is that most of us have forgotten who we truly are. We think we are only these bodies and minds, trapped in a cycle of survival and desires. But your soul is here for more than that. It's here to experience, to grow, to realize its infinite potential. And that potential is limitless. If this resonates with you, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because we're on a journey together. Now, let's talk about your universal essence. Ancient teachings reveal a powerful truth. You are not separate from the universe. You are the universe experiencing itself through your unique perspective. Imagine the universe as an infinite ocean of consciousness, and you are like a wave within that ocean. The wave appears distinct with its own form and movement, but it's made of the same substance as the entire ocean. You are both the wave and the ocean at the same time. When we talk about being a god, we're not referring to an all-powerful entity sitting somewhere ruling over the cosmos. No, we're talking about you being a localized expression of the universal essence. You are an individualized point of universal consciousness, a living manifestation of divinity. And the life you're living in this moment is a small but vital part of that grand, infinite picture. This brings us to a key insight that modern science is only just beginning to understand, one that the mystics have known for millennia. Quantum physics now tells us that particles behave differently when observed. The famous double-slit experiment showed that consciousness affects physical reality. This echoes the ancient spiritual understanding that consciousness is fundamental to existence, that you, as a conscious being, are shaping reality around you. Quantum entanglement suggests that everything in the universe is connected, no matter the distance. Again, this aligns perfectly with the spiritual truth of oneness, that all things are interconnected at the deepest level of reality. The universe is not a collection of isolated parts. It's a unified field of consciousness, and you are part of that. Now that we've established that you are both an individual and an expression of the universal whole, let's shift our focus to how you can start living from this deeper truth. Living as a god in human form. If you truly are a God particle, a fragment of divine consciousness, how can you start living from this higher awareness? It begins by questioning your current identity. You've been conditioned to think that you are this physical body and the thoughts in your mind, but is that the full picture? Start by observing your thoughts and emotions. Notice how they come and go, yet there is something constant behind them. That constant awareness, that's the real you. Meditation is a powerful way to begin experiencing your true nature. Try this simple practice. Close your eyes and observe the space between your thoughts. Don't engage with the thoughts themselves, just focus on the gaps between them. In those gaps, you'll find pure awareness. This is a glimpse of your true nature, consciousness free from the limitations of thought and form. When you start to identify less with your physical body and more with this unchanging awareness, you'll naturally begin to transcend the limitations you once believed were real. Every challenge you face in life becomes an opportunity to remember your divine nature. Instead of reacting to life from the limited perspective of the ego, ask yourself, how would universal consciousness respond to this situation? Begin to expand your sense of self beyond your body. Imagine yourself as the space in which your room, your city, your planet exists. Keep expanding outward until you can feel yourself as the vastness of the universe itself. This is your true magnitude as a soul, boundless, limitless, infinite. Transcending physical limitations. Now let's talk about how you, as a multidimensional soul, can transcend the physical limitations of your current existence. Remember, your body is just one aspect of you. You, the soul, exist beyond time and space. Ancient spiritual traditions have recognized this for centuries, describing how different layers of the soul operate beyond the physical plane. There are aspects of you that can move freely between dimensions, whether in dreams, meditation, or deep spiritual practices. By practicing lucid dreaming, astral projection, or simply expanding your consciousness during meditation, you can experience these other layers of your soul firsthand. This isn't just mystical talk. It's a reality that many have experienced through dedicated spiritual practice. As you develop this awareness, you'll start to see how your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions directly shape the world around you. The more you align with your true nature, the more you'll act with compassion, wisdom, and divine power, the real hallmarks of a god in human form. Your role in the cosmic evolution. Finally, let's consider the bigger picture. You as a soul are on an eternal journey of growth and evolution. The challenges and triumphs you experience in this life are not random, they are opportunities for expansion, for realizing your true nature. And your journey is part of a larger cosmic plan. Every soul plays its part in the evolution of universal consciousness. Ancient texts, like the Emerald Tablets of Tahuti, speak of this cosmic journey, how each soul moves ever onward, evolving towards greater union with the divine. You are not a static being. You are evolving, expanding, and contributing to the greater whole of existence. As we wrap up, remember this. You are not here to replicate anyone else's journey. Your path is unique, and it's a vital part of the cosmic plan. Embrace it, explore it. And as you continue on this journey of self-realization, know that you are playing your part in the grand dance of universal consciousness. If this message resonates with you, comment, and subscribe. Let's continue this journey of awakening together.